Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got my Poshmark sales for the last 2 days and I want to share with you why it looks like there's a little bit less that I've sold. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so it's summertime and I wanted to let you guys know that part of the reason why I've been selling a little bit less is, for one, I haven't really been putting a lot of new stuff on Poshmark recently. I had a lot on my Poshmark closet and I really wanted to kind of pare that down because it got a little bit difficult trying to find all of my product at once. So I'm letting it kind of sell off a little bit, but when you don't put new stuff on, sometimes you don't generate the interest that you want. And so it is summertime, so you're going to see I sold a lot of Patriotic hats because it's coming up to 4th of July, and I'm going to try to get those out as quickly as I can as far as shipping so that they have them for the 4th of July time. So let's just go through what I sold the last 2 days, and even though it's a few less sales, let's see where we're at money-wise and see, am I really making money? So I sold some of these Paw Patrol kids shoes. I have a few more pairs left. They're really, really cute. They light up. Brand new from via trading that I got, and so those sold really well, and so those I paid $5 for. My earnings were, and all of the numbers I give you are earnings after fees, after shipping for Poshmark. So my earnings were $9.05, and to give you an example, they sold for $12. I got $9.05. We're going to take the $5 off that I paid and $4.05. So I will write total profit on this board, add it all up at the end, tell you how many orders, and then you'll see how much I made for 2 days worth of sales. Then I've got a pair of really, really cute Cat and Jack Toddler glitter ballet flats, $1.25. That came out of a liquidation box for $1, and so 25 cents. Kids Cat and Jack shoes do not sell as well as I'd like them to, but they've been on there for a while, so I'm glad that they sold. Okay, this is a really big bag, but I like to put my rings in large bags so that when I box them up, they stay where they're supposed to and they don't fall out of the box. I paid $1 for this Love Men's stainless steel spinner ring. It's really cool. The middle of it spins and the base of it stays stationary. I got a few more of those. It's a size 10.5. $2.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $1.05 is my profit on that particular item. Then, of course, I sell a lot of intimates because I've got a lot listed right now. This is a women's everyday black bra, Gilligan and O'Malley. I bought it for $1 out of a liquidation box. $9.05 is what I earned, so $8.05. There's a number I like to see much better. Then I've got another bra that I sold. It's a cotton t-shirt, lightly lined plunge bra. Size, color is black, 36B. It's an exhilaration. $5.05 is what I earned. $4.05 is what I actually keep because I spent $1 out of a liquidation box from Bulq.com on that one. This I've had on there forever, so I was glad to see it sell. I earned $2.05 on this Surf Picture Kids swim shirt. So $2.05. I got that actually from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. And so $1.55 is my profits on that one. Then I've got these really fun turtle earrings that I actually bought from overseas. I spent $1 on them. $3.05 is what I earned, so $2.05 is what I get to keep. Then my next item, these are my favorite things that I sold in this lot. It's a pair of Num 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 Cookie Monster hipster brief panties, size large. Paid $1 out of a liquidation box for that, brand new, and $7.05 is what I earned, so $6.05 is my in-pocket profits. Then I've got a pair of plus-size seamless boy shorts, 2-pack black ones. $1 is what I paid for that. $3.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 are my profits on that. Then, of course, we got all my fun Patriotic hats. So I paid $4 for each one of these hats, and so $5.05 is what I earned on this one. And so I'm at $1.05 for that profit. And then the next one is the exact same kind of hat, but I earned $6.25 on that minus my $4, so I'm at $2.25 on the same hat. And so depending on whether or not I give a discount or not, you can earn a little more. And then this one, $10.05 on this one. So I did really awesome on that, minus my $4. So $6.05 on that Patriotic hat. So make sure if a season or an event is coming up, like 4th of July or Christmas or whatever, you have those types of things for sale, because you can definitely make more money when it's coming up. And then I've got, excuse me, a women's strappy push-up bralette, black and white, extra small. $3.25 is what I earned. $2.25 is what I get to keep because I spent $1 on it. And so I'm going to add up how many orders this is. I didn't get any bundles in this, which usually makes me sad because I make a lot on bundles. But I will let you know that how much I earned and how many orders I have. All right, so I got everything added up. It ended up being $40.95 for 13 separate orders. Now, that's pretty low for me for 2 days worth of sales. Now, let me explain why I think that's happening. For one, it's summertime. People are outside doing a lot more outdoor activities. They're not inside shopping on my Poshmark store. How dare they? But that's part of the reason. And then also one of the other reasons is I haven't been sharing as frequently, and also that I have not been posting anything new. And so that makes a big difference. But I've got a huge pile of stuff that I'm going to start posting in the next couple of weeks. And so we'll see if that impacts my Poshmark sales, and then I'll get back to you and let you know about that. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold the last 2 days on Poshmark right before the 4th of July. I sold lots of patriotic items. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.